West Coast, where Glasses Malone is being tried for a RICO conspiracy, Rap Influence and Corrupt Organizations Act. What, did he pull up here in a white Ford Bronco on Dayton's? Let's go live from inside the courtroom.
All rise for the hip-hop legend, the honorable judge. Play your hand.
Ha! This what happened when the G's meet the Good Life Cafe. Let's be honest, youngers ain't nice.
DIYers, hip-hop is on trial, and Glasses Malone just brought the courtroom to life in his new joint Wanted. Let's break this down verse by verse because every rapper came with a different kind of fire. He's clowning the younger generation while serving food metaphors, gravy over rice, smooth but heavy. It's cultural, it's flavorful, and it sets the whole courtroom scene.
Let's be honest, youngers ain't nice. Smother beats, bro, gravy over white rice. LOC, right cross and it's night. It's like magic, I ain't trying to be like Mike. White stripes, hugger, orange Janko. Before it was the flow, O's got my bankroll. Fours got my bankroll. Decide with that water. Mom's on my line, I was sliding in the daughter now. She want a taste, I want the face. She order big, I got the freight. West condensed, hate, fucking city, let's off the state. Locan top notch, I'm a Sasquatch. And all the bills crippin' in my cash box. Streets without G is a disaster. They can't put me out the pasture. This game need me.
Then Akil from Jurassic 5 comes in with pure OG wisdom, reminding us what hip-hop always stood for. That's a bar. Straight life lessons, each one teach one. It's hip-hop as a school, passing knowledge from one generation to the next.
Best believe me, I used to wonder what it's like without Stevie.
Akil.
Living for the city, speak easy, and never bite the hands that feed me. I was taught that each one teach one. Respect the elders, cause one day you'll be one.
Telling us what hip-hop always stood for. That's a bar. Straight life lessons, each one teach one.
What goes around comes around. Respect those who made it make a sound. This that old man wisdom, so pay attention to the knowledge and the rhythm. We set the bar high so you can reach high, so the future generation will forever be fly. Cause this game can be grimy and sleazy, low down, dirty, cutthroat, and real greedy. I ain't trying to sound real preachy, but don't put me out the pasture. This game needs.
Joey Westside flips the tone, giving it raw street talk. He's calling out the fake and the fraudulent. That's cold. He's pointing out how some rappers sell their integrity but still can't buy respect. That's a reality check.
I don't want nothing to do with goof niggas. Chucks in the ass of all the bootlickers. ABK, EBK, you killer. Try that fly shit, cause we preparing to shoot niggas.
Hey, who is bro?
What? That be obvious. Joey Westside, the LA Giant, bail like his daddy watching him in the lag wobbling with a rat gobbling. You've been advocating for Satan, it's time to feel the hands of Father. 110 rated. West been craving for Ben Davies, you moist niggas been gaying, See what the nerve is doing, got the curve influence. Displaying telling for sale, is views worth you viewing? Breaking the code and it still ain't clicked. Sold your soul for money and you still ain't rich, damn.
Then Fullee Love comes in, flexing confidence but keeping it soulful.
To the best of my knowledge, I guess that I'm fresh in the 6'5" convertible stretch. I got next. Don't ask how it come about. Word of mouth, West Coast about face and then fall out. A step parallel, you better yell. I'm fiendish. A stroke of genius over 40 old English. I seen some come and go, but I don't know how some will blow then disappear. Easy come, easy go. That Fullee Love moniker keeps the broad monitored enough to make me promise you I'm never not popular. I blow through, leave residue, smoking ashes. I'm active and plus you wouldn't hit a man with glasses. Now, mind over matter, it matters, and I'd rather get the bread bubble and lather until the morning after. You can't change up the grammar, my bedside manner, or put me out to pasture.
Listen to the wordplay. Best of my knowledge, I'm fresh. It's a nod to his own legacy while showing he can still light up a track.
My knowledge, I guess that I'm fresh in the 6'5" convertible stretch. I got next. Don't ask how it come about. Word of mouth, West Coast about face and then fall out. A step parallel, you better yell. I'm fiendish. A stroke of genius over 40 old English. I seen some come and go, but I don't know how some will blow then disappear. Easy come, easy go. That Fullee Love moniker keeps the broad monitored enough to make me promise you I'm never not popular. I blow through, leave residue, smoking ashes. I'm active and plus you wouldn't hit a man with glasses. Now, mind over matter, it matters, and I'd rather get the bread bubble and lather until the morning after.
Deuce Mac takes the stand next, and it's all gangster talk, hard-hitting, uncompromising.
Your eye in the sky, Peter Boss with the breaking news. The prosecution's star witness, pop star Drake, is scheduled to take the stand. The Kato Kalin of the music industry, Drake made history for being the first rapper ever to sue because he lost a rap battle. citing the legal precedent where McDonald's had to write a fat check because they served coffee that was too hot. Let's go live from inside the courtroom.
Yeah, this game needs me like a hoe need a pimp, nigga. Pick a side and play the fence with the bitch niggas. Send a gold 7 deuces, creeping on me. Baby's ruling in my lap like she's sleeping on me. Black chucks, fat laces, tatted knuckles against braces. Spit your teeth out and grab faces. Yeah, fuck the mama if you coast racist. Western, the cloth we from made for sale. Sidewalk University with fake fares. The only Joey we fucking with is the Westside. Ain't no.
That's straight West Coast energy, no middle ground, no neutral zone. You either ride with them or you're against them.
Ain't no fairways over here, bitch, we all slide. Keep it up and get hog tied. Get more than your mural whacked out, fucking with our kind. Gangsta rap when the game need a DP.
Marc 7 keeps it sharp, showing off slick delivery with clever flips.
Your mouth when you're speaking to an alpha. Little rascal, fucking alfalfas. Yeah, I'm about to stymie the game, so why's you playing? Listen, I'ma try and explain. Tell him. I roll dolo, my hand solo, will chew your back up. Nigga, back up, before I act up. Mad, cause we the masters hanging from the rafters. Bust because we have to mashing on you bastards. Calm down, Siv, gon' let the rhythm rock.
That Star Wars bar, Han Solo will chew you back up. That's slick writing, showing his pen is still razor sharp.
So we can let the song spread like the chicken pox. I'm unorthodox, and I floss a lot. I do my own thing, hell is you talking about? I'm bi-coastal, and I go postal. Plus I'm down with the homie with the bifocal.
And of course, the closer Chali tuna with that deep, commanding voice, he shuts the case down.
Spot me using infrared imaging. The left for dead, the left for dead, hemorrhaging. The plan difficult. Looking for beef, I'm a cattle farmer in battle armor. Can't hold a candle to my shadow, I'm the man of honor. Able to handle trauma, your fate's in the hands of karma. You're just a saddle warmer. One push, damn it, can cause a ripple around the planet. Dropping heavy like a hippo on a hammock. Keeping people in the panic. This paragraph, passages scribbled and graph acronyms. Code is nasal passages packed with phlegm. Accurate accidents impact how we come back again. Yeah, while your heart's diseased with malice, I'm at Caesar's palace sipping teas from a Jesus chalice. You receive the paralysis that you asked for. You could never put me up to pasture. This game needs me. This game needs me.
The jury finds the defendant not guilty.
That's heavyweight lyricism, painting himself as untouchable and dismissing the opposition as seat fillers. Then he delivers the knockout verdict. Case closed. Hip-hop, not guilty. That's how you end a posse cut. This wanted video wasn't just music, it was a statement. Courtroom visuals, a Drake look-alike, and some of the West Coast's sharpest voices holding hip-hop accountable. Glasses Malone turned the culture into a trial and walked out victorious. What do you think? Was this a bold message or just controversy? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're here for the next review. On Sonic Snap,